guys, Eat Essentials here. This is a requested video and I was asked to recreate this awesome coffee table by a lovely lady who follows my channel. She said she thought about using cement, but it was going to be too heavy, and I agree. So I'll be showing you guys two ways to achieve this look, and the first method is going to be with the use of balloons and paper towels. I inflated 3 balloons and kept them aside. Now I'm going to take paper towels and cut them into smaller pieces. When I was done with that, I took a bowl and then I measured school glue and water, and both of them are going to be of equal amounts. I'm going to be dipping the paper towel into the mixture and placing it on the balloon, and I'm going to do this all around. As I was doing this, I forgot that I was supposed to attach the balloon to the bowl that's at the bottom. I had to do that last minute, and that's what I'm doing right now. This is important because it keeps the balloon steady while you work. I'm going to be making the first, second, and third layer of paper towel over the balloon. After that, I'm going to make it much more stronger by covering the entire thing again with a thicker mixture of school glue. I'm applying this with brush and very lightly so I don't pull off the paper towels. I'm going to let this dry overnight with a standing fan over it to make it dry even faster. I'm going to be making 2 more, and don't forget to always attach the bowl to the balloon with tape before you start. When it was dry, I popped the balloon that's inside. This really turned out hard and strong. Now all I need is just the shape. And whatever I'm going to be putting inside has to be light and at the same time strong. And for that, I'm going to be using this spray foam that I got from Home Depot. I'm going to show you guys how strong this is, and this is a leftover from another project that I was working on some time ago. And I was so pleased with the result because it's really strong and yet light in weight. So I'm going to start by putting a pipe that I cut in the middle. That's 12 inches long. And then after that, I'm gonna rigorously shake the can for 30 seconds and then spray the foam inside. You will notice that I'm applying the foam just in the middle because when it sets, it's gonna get bigger and spread out. I let this sit for an hour, and this is what it looks like. Because of the pressure of the foam and the pipe that's inside, I already have a shape here that's gonna be perfect for balance. I'll cover this part here with paper plates. I'm gonna sand it down a bit and then take it out and spray paint it gold. I arranged all three of them and placed a glass on top of it, and this is what it looks like. The second method that I'm about to show you guys requires no cutting, no paper gluing, and no spray painting. All I'll be using is this half-round foam ball. Now the downside to this is that one of this costs $11.99. And you're gonna need two for a ball shape. So you see, it's kind of pricey. Oh, and for three, it's gonna be $6. So yeah, this route is kind of pricey. You can lock both halves in together. Now all I'm gonna do is apply glue before locking them in together. But before that, I'm gonna be making a hole in the middle where I'm gonna be attaching the suction cups. This is really strong and it can carry a lot of weight. I scraped off some part at the bottom to make it leveled when it's on the floor. The next thing I'm gonna do is use Mod Podge and cover the entire thing with it. I'm going to be giving this 3 coats of Mod Podge. I did this for all 3 balls, and then I attached suction cups to them. After that, I placed a 30 inches round glass on top of it. And it's done. You can add weights inside the balls before gluing them together if you like. It's all up to you, depending on the traffic that you're gonna have in the living room. Now you can choose either the first method or the second method to achieve this beautiful ball coffee table. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to like it and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.